Welcome to Quest for Knowledge. Now we are going to discuss the part B of the model paper for your September session exams. Okay, so let's go through with this. So these are the part B question which we are going to go through. Okay, one by one we are going to deal with these questions. In the 2 mark, the question is being asked production possibility frontier. So production possibility frontier is the curve which shows various combination of the amount of two goods which can be produced with the given resources or technology. So with the available land, the producer can produce maximum of the cotton, then he can produce minimum of the corn, and if he's producing maximum of the corn, then he can produce minimum of the corn. Why? Because of his available resources he can produce. So the combination amount of two goods which he can produce with his available resources is called as production possibility frontier. So the second question is, what is distinguished between microeconomics and macroeconomics? So in microeconomics, we study about the behavior of individual economic agents like producer, consumer, one market, one firm, one price of the product. So that is called as, when we study about individual economic agent, that is considered as microeconomics. In macroeconomics, we study about economy as a whole. Okay, micro means small and macro means large. So when we do detailed study, okay, on individual consumer, producer, market, price, etc., in a microscopic view, in a detailed manner, when we study about individual being, individual economic agent, that will all come under microeconomics. Macro means large when we study about the aggregate, okay, as a aggregate economy as a whole, when we study about aggregate employment, GDP, national income, etc., will be considered as macroeconomics. So we call micro as microscopic view, okay, and for macro we call it as bird's eye view. So the question is, what is monotonic preference? Rational consumer always prefer more of a commodity which gives him higher level of satisfaction. It means the consumer will always prefer to have more of the commodity than less. So if the bundle 1 is providing him 10 and 10 kind of a satisfaction, when compared to the product Y which is giving him 9 and 10, then the consumer will surely buy the first bundle which gives him maximum level of satisfaction. Okay, this is called as monotonic preference. It means the consumer will prefer more than preferring less. For example, burger plus coke for rupees 90 and only burger for 80, then the consumer will prefer burger plus coke for 90 rupee. Okay, this is called as monotonic preference. So short run and long run. In short run, at least one factor like labor or capital cannot be varied, and one of the factor will remain fixed. So in order to vary the output, the firm can vary only the other factor. So the factor which remains fixed is called as fixed factor. The factor which varies is called as variable factor. So in short run, we have two kind of factor. One is fixed factor and another is variable factor. For example, if capital is fixed, then the labor may vary. When the labor is fixed, the capital may vary. So the labor which remains fixed, this is called as fixed factor, and if the capital is varying, this is called as variable factor. So this is in the short run. In long run, all the production factor can be varied. In long run, there is no any kind of fixed factor. All factor may be variable. If you want to change the level of output, then you can increase the level of your input in a simultaneous manner. Okay, so that is all about short run and long run. So when there is increase in price, the quantity demand will be less, and when there is decrease in price, the quantity demand will be more. So demand and price has inverse relationship, completely opposite relationship. When price is more, quantity demand will be less, and when price is less, quantity demand will be more. So this is the law of demand. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and please support to my channel and even suggest your comment in the comment box given below. Thank you very much.